Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all my thoughts about me giving this ninja style bun and bang a try, and it's by Vivica Fox. And I want to make sure I do have the specs correctly, so I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. I'm wearing the Vivica Fox hair collection 2-in-1 bang-n-bun, and it says hump for volume. The style name is called Kelsy, and the color that I am wearing is number 1 for jet black. This is what the packaging looks like, and that is the model that is on the packaging, and this is what it's looking like when you put it on your head. Now, before I give you my pros and cons about this unit, what I want to do is first show you what it looks like, you know, out of its packaging in its natural state, and then I'm gonna come back and share with you my final thoughts and conclusion. Here is what the Bang-n-Bun is looking like when you see it in its packaging, and once you remove it out of the packaging, and I'm removing the net, this is where it got super weird for me. I quickly didn't realize the bang is attached to the bun. Like, are you serious? It's attached to the bun. The packaging did not say that when I purchased it, and you know the bang do have clips, so that should be, you know, helpful hopefully, but inside the bun is insanely small. I mean, I have thick and long hair. I don't foresee how my hair is going to fit in this. And let me show you again, the bang is attached to the bun. Nothing about this packaging said that, okay? And like I was saying, I have thick-ish and, you know, but long hair. And look, I'm gonna show you. This is what my natural hair is looking like. It's kind of thick, but it is long, and I don't know how my hair is going to fit inside that bun, so this is going to be a challenge. Okay, dolls, so as you saw, I do have a lot of hair, and that was part of the challenge for me to see how I was going to get this daggone bun and bang on my natural hair and then have it still look decent enough to wear. This unit right here, it gave me a lot of difficulties. Honestly, it was a frustrating process for me, so that's why I didn't record me actually applying it on there, because I had to use a whole lot of bobby pins to secure it down, and then the whole thing was just a process. But is it worth getting? I like it, don't get me wrong, I do like it. The pros of this is it's super fast, it's super convenient, it's minimal effort, you know, if you want something quick to throw on and look presentable. It is as pictured, as you're seeing right here. It does look as pictured, but what I don't like about it is I didn't pay attention that the bang was actually attached onto the bun when I ordered this. I just saw, you know, the picture and was like, ooh, you know, that's super, super cute, and I ordered it, and when it arrived, that's when I saw the bang was actually attached on it. So I'm a tall person, I'm 5'11" to be exact, so on me, you're not going to really notice that you can see the attachment here, and that's because I'm very tall, and you know, you're not going to really see the top of my head, so you're going to see me like you're seeing me now. So if you happen to be shorter than 5'11", you know, this part here, and I'm going to come in close, this part here is where the separation is. You're going to see that. You're going to see that. Now, what I've also seen is other YouTubers who review these kind of bun and bangs. They usually take a piece of weaving hair, or pack hair they call it, and they put a thin strip, you know, they twist it and wrap it around the base. Now, the YouTubers that I've seen do that, they did that to bun and bangs that were separate. You know, like it was a separate bang with a separate top knot bun. So, because I've seen them do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try that for myself, just to, you know, wrap around the base so you don't see the separation. So I'm going to turn around so you can see how I have it on there. That's how it looks. This is it from the side, the back, the side, the front again, and the other side. And To get the bang to look like it's looking, I also took some bobby pins and pushed this part down to pin it down so the bang can be flat. Because when I did initially put it on, it was kind of like a smooth thing coming straight down. It just didn't look right. But on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and join in on this amazing Glam Dolls community. My name is Glam. All the official Glam Dolls, and when I say official, that means subscribed Glam Dolls in this community. They call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So that's exactly what you're going to get on this channel, is me sharing fab beauty on a budget finds that you won't have to break your bank for. So on that note, like I said, this just concluded the video. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another one again shortly. Later, dolls.